Hi friends, let's do a full face acupressure massage together. I usually do this before my guasha routine in order to get a better guasha result. First thing first, let's prep our skin with essential oils. You can choose any of these two to massage those acupressure points. The principle here is to start from the bottom to the top and from left to right. Facial acupressure helps to boost circulation, relax tense muscles, aids lymphatic drainage. It also helps reduce stress, headache, and calms the mind. If you don't know where those acupressure points are, feel free to take a screenshot of this photo and practice a couple of more times. The key point here is to wiggle these acupressure points 2 to 3 seconds and then move on to the next one. Now switch side. Also start from the bottom to the top. To finish off this massage, we wiggle the center of our eyebrows and then scrape Z shape from here to the top of our forehead. Yay, we are done with this massage.